Hello friends, I welcome you all to our channel. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe it, okay? For new members, you can check other videos also. It may be useful for you. Daily I will upload 2 videos. One is mark test and another is teaching video. Today we will go for general agriculture mark test. That is, you have to answer without options. Then only you can test your real knowledge, okay? And you can develop your skills also. Today's questions. First question is, the term vitamin was introduced by. That is, who introduced the term vitamin? Second question, the term enzyme was coined by. That is, who coined the term enzyme? Third question, what are fat soluble vitamins? Fourth question, what are water soluble vitamins? And fifth question, vitamin A is otherwise known as. You have to read other names of vitamins also. Sixth question, vitamin D is otherwise known as. Seventh question, vitamin B12 is otherwise known as. And eighth question, vitamin C is otherwise known as. Ninth question, vitamin B1 is otherwise known as. 10th question, folic acid is essential for what? Okay, I'll give you a few minutes time. Just go through the questions and try to answer. Write down the answers in paper and leave some space because I'm going to give the answer along with some facts, some important facts also. Really it will be helpful for you and you will get idea how to frame questions and answer. Okay. First question, the term vitamin was introduced by Funk in 1912. Actually, vitamins are vital for growth, nutrition and metabolic processes. Okay, sure, from vitamin one question will come. Keep some shortcuts for answers. Sure, you will never forget. Okay, it is one tip. Keeping shortcut is up to you, but you will never forget the answer. Second question, the term enzyme was coined by W. Cohen in 1898. Enzymes are actually biocatalysts, okay? Not only they are organic substances which are capable of catalyzing chemical reactions in living systems, okay? These are some important points. Please note it down. Next, third question, what are water soluble vitamins? And fourth question, what are fat soluble vitamins? Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K, and water soluble vitamins B and C. Okay, keep some clues to remember. Water soluble vitamins B and C. Okay, then coming to other names of vitamins, vitamin A is otherwise known as retinol. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. You have to read the deficiencies also. Vitamin D is known as calciferol. Deficiency causes rickets and pigeon chest in children, osteomalacia in adults. Vitamin B12 is otherwise known as cobalamin or cyanocobalamin. It causes pernicious anemia. Okay, it is very important and frequently asked general agriculture questions. And vitamin C is known as ascorbic acid. The deficiency causes scurvy. And ninth question, vitamin B1 is known as thiamine, which deficiency of which causes beriberi. Okay, write down these. These are some important vitamins frequently asked general agriculture questions. Okay, I have to read the other names and deficiency thoroughly. Okay, at least you keep these 5 vitamins in mind. Okay, they are very important and frequently asked questions. Next, 10th question, folic acid is essential for what? For maturation of red blood cells. Okay, and deficiency causes anemia. It is otherwise known as vitamin B9. Then coming to 5 questions. 11th question, World Environmental Day is celebrated in which day? Ozone Day is celebrated in which day? During every year you have to write. And 13th question, International Year of Soil. 14th question, Kizan call center number you have to write. 15th question, who is father of tillage as well as father of wheat science? Okay, write down the answers for these 5 questions. Write down in a paper. Sure, it will be helpful. Okay, 11th question, World Environmental Day, June 5. It is celebrated during every year of June 5. Theme of this year is Time for Nature. Have to read the theme for the days. That is also very important. Year by year, theme will be changed. 12th question, Ozone Day is celebrated during September 16 of every year. That is, Montreal Protocol is for ozone layer depletion. It was initiated in 1987 and was adopted and came to force in 1989. It is very important and frequently asked question. Next, 13th question, International Year of Soil is 2015 and World Soil Day is December 5. It ends in 5-5, so you can easily memorize it. There's some shortcuts. Next, Kisan call center number is, it is a 11-digit number. That is 1800 180 1551. You have to keep in mind, as agriculture student you have to know this. It was launched in 21 Jan 2004, 22 local languages. Timing is 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, usually 10-digit number only we will have, but for Kisan's call center 11-digit number. Okay, father of tillage as well as wheat science, both also Jethro Tull. Okay, it is a very important question. Okay, I think you all wrote the answers. Next, coming to another 5 questions. Golden rice is rich in what? 17th question, super rice developed by, who developed a super rice? Okay. 18th question, who is the father of hybrid rice? 19th question, the term green revolution was coined by. 20th question, expand NABARD. Okay. 16th question, golden rice is rich in beta carotene, which is a precursor of vitamin A. Okay, vitamin A is otherwise known as retinol. It is a genetically modified rice. Okay. Next, super rice developed by G.S. Kish in IRRI. IRRI is nothing but International Rice Research Institute in Philippines, which would bring an improvement of 25% over input varieties. And coming to 18th question, who is the father of hybrid rice? Yuan Longping. China is the first country to develop hybrid rice. Okay, our India is the second country to develop hybrid rice. In India, MGR1, it is otherwise known as CoRH1, is developed by TNAU Coimbatore. It is the first developed. Then PRH1 and PRH6 developed by IARI. It is in New Delhi. Okay, Yuan Longping belongs to China. He is the father of hybrid rice. Okay, China is the first country to develop hybrid rice. Okay, don't forget it. Next, 19th question, the term green revolution was coined by. The term green revolution was coined by William S. Gord. It is an important and frequently asked question. For what green revolution is introduced means to increase the food production, particularly in wheat and rice. Okay, for the 20 they have introduced some semi-dwarfing genes. Main components are high yielding varieties, use of chemical fertilizers and plant protection chemicals. Okay, expand NABARD. The apex body of institution finance for agriculture in India is NABARD. NABARD expansion only as no, it is a National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Okay, you should not forget. Okay, started in the year 12th July 1982. Headquarters in Mumbai. Okay, main headquarters in Mumbai. Very important question. Present chairperson is Harsh Kumar Banwala. Sometimes they will ask this type of question also. Who is the present chairman of NABARD? Who is the director general of IRI? Like that they will ask. Note the symbol of NABARD. Sometimes they will ask symbol also in some exams and competitions. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. All the best for your studies. Study well, subscribe and share this video. Let others also get benefited.